Hey everybody, Jesse with Survival Summit. This is video number 4 in what's going to be a 6-video series talking about supplemental kits. Today we're talking about the Signal B.O.S.S. This is the Signal B.O.S.S kit. Now, so these are supplemental kits. These are not top of the line, but these are, actually the Signal kit is really nice. It's not that expensive, but it's got a lot of amazing stuff, and it comes in a fairly small package. It also comes with some basic signaling tips on waterproof right in the rain paper, so it's not going to get ruined. These instructions will not get destroyed by rain. Now, what comes in this kit? Well, it comes with some, I think it's 5 sheets of waterproof paper, so if you need to make notes or if you need to leave notes. It also comes with chem lights. Now, I'm not going to open this. This is a sealed package, but there's 2 chem lights in here. Now, once you activate these chem lights, this high visibility cordage, some people like to tie the chem light to the cordage and swing it around to be more visible at night. It also comes with a book of matches. It comes with some reflectors. So if you want someone to try to follow your trail or where you've gone, reflectors are going to be a great way to do it. Comes with a permanent marker. It also comes with chalk for making notes on large rocks, things of that nature. Now, this is a Mylar blanket, but it's also used as a signaling tool. So this could be a very nice way to signal someone from far away or from above. Something else we have is this is basically dye powder. So if you see it, you're going to put this in a body of water. You're not going to want to do it unless you see an airplane or you see a helicopter or you see someone up there. Because when you put this dye, it's safe, it's non-toxic. This will put an amazing orange color so that it'll be seen from above much more easily. So this is a great way to try to get someone's attention from above. There's also some reflective tacks that you can put in trees, just another way to mark your trail of where you had gone. This is some fluorescent ribbon. You can tie around tree branches, you can tie it around trees. Also a signal whistle. And a signaling mirror. Now, how to use the signal mirror, there's actually instructions on this sheet that explain to you the different ways of how to use the signal mirror, how to try to signal an aircraft with this. Now, this is one of the cooler items, I think. You light the end of this cartridge, and this will pop orange smoke pretty heavily for about 3 minutes. So if you're looking to flag someone down, if you're looking to make an orange smoke signal, this is what you're going to use. Now, again, don't waste this if you don't see or hear anyone. If you have no line of sight to anyone even close to you, I probably wouldn't waste this smoke cartridge. So this is the Signal B.O.S.S kit. There's a lot of great stuff in here. It comes in a nice small package. I don't know how you can go wrong with a kit like this. I love this kit. And again, we're going to be carrying all of these supplemental kits, all of these B.O.S.S kits on our website within the next week or two. They're being made right now.